Hi guys, if you don't know us, I am Julie and this is Maya and we're on Creatures Pictures, and today we're gonna discover what is gonna make you famous. What's gonna make you famous, Maya? Barking! Also, please tell me your story in the comments if it resonates with you, and leave me a thumbs up. And oh my gosh, she's heavy. Leave me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to share the story, and leave me a comment because I really like reading them. Right, Maya? And I hope you like it. Have a great day. Welcome to this reading. We're gonna pick a color to let you know how can you be famous. What will make you famous? What is it that's gonna bring you fame if you go for it? 1, green. 2, pale pink. 3, baby blue. 4, fuchsia. 5, white. 6, peach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick a card and then refer to the stamps in the description box or in the comment. Here we go. 1, green. What will make you famous? I want to say for some of you it could be the wedding industry, but I don't see how somebody in the wedding industry could be famous. But yet again, there are some TV shows about the wedding industry that make some people like really, really famous, right? For some of you, it could be being married to somebody famous. For some of you, it could simply be a famous architect or somebody that's designing buildings or decorating. Could be a linguist. Some linguists are actually famous because they work in the entertainment industry. For some of you, it could be working with animals. Let me clarify it because I feel like there's a lot of different things in here. Okay, so whatever you're doing right now, that's not it. I feel like you really gotta change, have a different perspective, a different outlook, really like a groundbreaking revelation, something different, something related to like loyalty and yeah, I see wedding industry. I don't know, it's weird. Okay. Yeah, why do I feel like a TV star? A reality TV show about whichever like industry you're in right now, which could be something related to like, oh, now it becomes interesting. You're an artist. Something artistic. So you could be designing, like I said, like architects, designer, or you can be designing wedding dresses. Yeah, that's all I'm getting out of this. Sorry guys, they're a little blurry for me, but maybe for you it will resonate, and if it does, please let me know what it was, because this was just such a mess. If you're not satisfied with this one, feel free to pick another card, maybe another color. Like if you have like 2 favorite colors, it could be like a mix of the 2, and then the second reading would just make this one make more sense, right? And if you're done with this, you can also check out my other videos. I have other like readings. I just like this one leaves me really confused. Like I definitely see stuff, but I feel like they're not related to one another, and that's probably like that. You're probably just as confused as I am. Pile number 2, pink. What's gonna make you famous? Whoa. I feel like you have great ideas, but you're a little bit afraid to go for it. Yeah. I feel like you either have already begun an adventure in a business adventure and you want to go for it, and you have very creative ideas in terms of business or career, but you're a little bit afraid to go for it. But if you do go for it, you're gonna be really famous, and you might even be rich. Like, you're gonna get everything. You should know what the idea is about, but maybe you have a lot of ideas. Because for me, like, I know I have an idea every day, and I never know which one to act on. If you do go for it, like, that's definitely, wow, yeah. Now, whatever it is, if you know what it is, just go for it. Could it be that some of you are parents, and it's your child who's gonna be famous? Like, maybe your idea was like, I'm not sure if I should have a kid, if I'm too young, maybe I should go to college, maybe I should have a job. And apparently they say that kid is going to be important. Or maybe it has something to do with children. I feel like maybe it has something to do with babies, like newborns. Maybe you have an idea for a product that's going to change people's life. Maybe it has nothing to do with that, and you're just... Maybe music? Could it be music? That's something you need to work hard on. Or maybe you already started working hard on it, and you're not sure, you're a little scared to put it out there. For some of you, you've been working on something in secret, and you're a little bit afraid to put it out there. Well, the universe wants you to know that you should put it out there, because this is success and it's going to make you famous. If not, then when the right idea will come, you'll know. And if you know what it is, please let me know in the comments. Okay, pile number 3, blue. What will make you famous? Ooh. Magic? Some of you magicians or witches? I feel like if it was witches, it would have a spiritual meaning card somewhere in here, but it doesn't. So I just feel like it's literal magic or illusion, which makes me think that you could be a filmmaker, you could be... I feel like something related to illusion, stage. So either theater, literal magic. Yeah, I feel like it's literal magic. People still do that? If not, I'm thinking filmmaking, or, because in the film industry or in the TV industry, there's a lot of like illusions going on, like things are not really what they seem to be. Like, you see like an apartment, but really you can go around the walls. You can go around the front door. You see a mirror, but really it's a hole so the camera can fit in it, It's filled with illusions like that. And I feel like maybe circus maybe have to do with physical balance. Like, I don't know. Skating, surfing. You know what I mean? Like some kind of but on the other hand, I feel like this is something more intellectual. Maybe the balance could be about filmmaking, because it is like that as well. You need to always balance like the moments of action and then the moments of emotion, stuff like that. I feel like you're quite the beginner in whatever you're trying to do, and you're kind of fed up with people in whatever industry that is, but you will definitely be successful and famous if you actually go for it. So I'd say go for it. Pile number 4, the Fushia people. I always say Fushia, although I know that the sound U doesn't even exist in English. But there's some stuff that you know when you've been saying them since you were born. It's Fushia, right? I don't know. I don't know how to say that. Oh wow. Wow. I feel like you have like 3 cards that's talking about being a priest or like a leader of some kind. So I just feel like I feel like whatever's gonna make you famous is also gonna make you real rich. Because sometimes people can get famous like, you know, real quick, but deep down, like in their personal life, they're like struggling with money. It happens a lot. I've known some, but not you. You definitely gonna find success financially. Look at those. But I feel like it has a lot to do with religion or spirituality. You need to lead people into you need to do some kind of light work. I feel like you need to either lead people into spirituality or you need to, I want to say, create your own cult. You would get your chance at that, like selling spiritual books or doing it on YouTube, or maybe it has to do with maybe you're a pastor, or but I don't know why a pastor would watch my videos. That's the thing. So I'm just gonna guess that you're gonna be a master wizard. Oh, that was Najwa yawning. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's the cutest puppy. Is it because mommy talked about going to Target and you want to come with me? You love going to Target. My white people. Sorry, I had to. My white people who choose the white color. What will make you famous? Wow. You're leading a battle. That has something to do with justice. Maybe some of you are lawyers or work in some kind of legal field. But I feel like what you want to do is more of a social justice, where you want to bring abundance to the people who have nothing. And that you could be famous for. So I feel like this is not your career. This is some charity work that you're doing. And if you're not doing charity work, you're probably like a lawyer or a judge or somebody in the military, or I don't know. I just feel like your purpose in life is to bring money to those who have nothing, is to bring resources to those who have nothing. It could also be that you're helping people to manifest like a better life for themselves, a better income for themselves. But I feel like you're gonna be very respected. People are gonna look at you with so much respect, not in a fear-based type of respect, but more of a wow, that is an amazing person, like a Nobel Prize type of respect, kind of like I don't know, not Mother Teresa either, but more like Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt. They adopted all those children, and that's really really cool. I feel like that's kind of like the energy I have. Like people respect that a lot. Maybe you are gonna adopt children now, I'm saying, because I don't, well, yes, there is a child here, but I feel like providing for someone who was born with nothing could also be adopting, you know. But I feel like this is your purpose. That's what you're meant to do, and when you'll be doing it, you'll get famous for it. Like I feel like that's something you're not gonna do to be famous. You're gonna do from the kindness of your heart. So I feel like you're a very generous person. You're a very good person. That's beautiful. Yeah, I'm really happy with this reading, and I hope you are too. And if you are, please leave me a comment to let me know, and a thumbs up, and maybe you can check out my other videos because I have other picker cards, and some of them even give you compliments as well. and and I have manifestation videos, and I have filmmaking videos, and I have places like Instagram where you can get to know me. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great one. My peach people. For the previous one, I said my white people because I couldn't resist it. And I just want to brag about the fact that I made such a lame joke. Like, I'm so lame. Okay. What is going to make you famous? What do I feel like it's going to be something like journalism for some of you, fashion for others of you, something shiny and glittery like that. I feel like it's gonna be a service or a product. What did I say just before? I'm getting tired because I did like 5 readings in a row. That's my last reading for the day. Okay, so what did I just say? I said journalism or fashion, right? And I feel like whichever service you're gonna provide, you're gonna be aiming it towards women. And I feel like you're gonna have a large audience. So either you're a fashion designer, either you're gonna sell some kind of fashion as a business person, either you're gonna create a product, either you're gonna create a service, like a special kind of boutique or something. Either it's gonna be journalism, maybe about fashion, maybe about tourism, maybe about celebrity gossip. Yeah, it could definitely be. It could be a documentary. It could be YouTube. It's not gonna be built in a day. I feel like those fields make you feel like it's so easy, but it's not gonna be easy. But once it's gonna pay off, it's gonna pay off good. You're gonna be really proud of yourself, of your achievements, and people are gonna like know you. They're gonna recognize you in the streets and stuff like that. And you're gonna look shiny. But that's only like, of course, if you follow that path. Not everybody is gonna be famous. You know what I mean? Nowadays everybody can have like their 15 minutes of fame, or at least they can be like small crowd famous. Like you could have, 10,000 followers, 50,000 followers. You know what I mean? And that's kind of famous, and that's kind of not at the same time. Like, I don't think it has anything to do with crowd speaking, though. I really feel like it's communication. So, could be publishing, could be fashion, could be journalism, could be blogging, vlogging, could be making videos, writing articles. It could be... It has a strong Leo energy. That does not mean that you are a Leo. I'm just saying, like, the thing that's gonna make you famous has a Leo energy. And maybe a little Virgo. It's very planified. It's very OCD. That's why I'm thinking of those fields that are very, a little bit superficial. But it's worth it. It makes you famous. It's probably gonna make you a little wealthy as well, right? My beach people, thank you so much for watching. If you know what I'm talking about, because I have no idea what I'm talking about, So if you know what I'm talking about, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And you can check out my Instagram. And you can check out my other pick a card videos. If you're on a roll and you want to watch others, I have others. And I have more coming. So don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye.